Hey everybody, welcome to the High Five, the third edition, where every week I feature 5 great AI tools plus a bonus one at the end that's kind of for fun, so stick around for that one. Again, if you haven't seen volumes 1 and 2, go to my YouTube channel and check those out. And if you like the videos, please hit subscribe, please check the description for links to all these great tools, and then also some additional ones that I strongly recommend for previous videos. Okay, so before I jump into this week's High Five, first of all, I always want to try to recommend super efficient tools, ones that have all-in-one solutions rather than all the dozens of new AI tools that are coming out every day, which is great, but there's so many, it's easy to get lost on what you can and can't use and which ones are the best ones. So I try to feature ones that are multi-purpose and have a lot of features built into them so you don't have to have so many different applications you use. Okay, let's jump into the first tool, which is called Magic Studio. So Magic Studio, what makes it great is that it has 5 really simple tools all built into one. The first one that they feature is called Photo Booth. You can create your own profile pictures using AI. So the first thing you do is just click on that button on the front page, upload 12 pictures, you choose your styles. It uses AI to download your pictures with the different styles, and you have them in a few hours. And the best thing, it's only $5 for 50 profile pictures in 10 different styles. Next thing they have is called Imagine. This is a text-to-visual tool like Midjourney, where you click on create a picture, you enter in your prompt of whatever style you want, and it'll create some amazing artwork like you see here, some of their examples. Next one is called Magic Eraser. Again, a really simple tool. Upload as many photos you want. You use the tool to scrape over what you want out of the photo and it gets rid of it for you. Next one they have is called Background Eraser. It's just that. So you upload your photos. You want to erase the background to anything? There you go, one click. The last one is called the Image Enlarger. You can enhance the photo up to 4 times resolution on here. So again, really simple, but definitely a necessary tool. And the best part about all of the tools on Magic Studio is, if we were to head to pricing, is that you can get the entire suite of Magic Studio tools for only 10 bucks. All right, on to our next tool. Okay, number 2 on this week's High Five is called Landbot. It's a no-code chatbot builder that's super user-friendly. I'll take you through the highlights. So right on the front page there, you can see you can try Landbot for free. They have a little example section there on the right-hand side. You can see they have a website chatbot, WhatsApp automation, an API and SDK built in. And then their chatbot platform is really sophisticated and conversational, but it's really easy to use. So really a beginner can jump on and use this. So what can Landbot do for you? It can increase your revenue. It can build up operational efficiency used for customer service applications. One of the best things about it has all these great integrations with it, all this great software. And then it also has some ready to use templates from there. So you can literally jump in and get one built and get it started in no time. Checking out the pricing here, the website platform, where you can see they have a free forever. They have starter, pro, and business, all there for monthly features. And then if you do a yearly, you get 20% off those prices. And then they also have a WhatsApp pricing structure as well, where you can see there's a pro feature and a business feature, and those are the monthly rates, and of course yearly rates would save you 20% on those as well. So Landbot, really impressed with it, really enjoyed how user-friendly it was. Definitely encourage you to jump on that. You can also mess around with the tool on their homepage and check out what it has to offer. All right, let's move on to number 3. Number 3 on this week's High Five is one of my favorites. I've actually done a feature video all about Synthesia AI in another video, so I encourage you to check that out for a full walkthrough and tutorial on it. But here I want to hit the highlights of it. It is a video creation platform that uses AI text-to-speech, but also AI avatars as well. So really adds that extra feature. Got some really, really cool stuff. Let's go over the highlights. Okay, so on the front page here, you can create a free AI video with that blue button there. You can check out the tutorial on the right. Some of the use cases are training videos, how-to videos, and marketing videos. They have a great amount of resources in their Synthesia Academy. I encourage you to check those out. You can see they have over 100 diverse AI avatars to choose from, all very lifelike and do a really realistic job. You can convert to 120 different languages. You can check out Spanish, German, and French examples there on the front page. Again, it saves you a bunch of time. 60 fully customizable video templates, a very intuitive interface here. You can see on the right-hand side, they have all the different avatars you can choose from, different elements such as text and animations. You can upload media, you can upload audio, you can play audio from their database. In the center there, you can add your own text in the middle, you can change languages on the spot, and then along the left-hand side, you have all of your slide layouts from there. So really versatile, but I found everything to be so user-friendly to have it right there on the same page where you can add all your elements and edit right as you go on the fly. It is the #1 rated AI video creation platform. On to pricing here, so 2 simple plans, a personal plan and a corporate plan. $30 a month for the personal plan. You get 10 video credits. It's text to video, 120 plus languages, 65 built-in avatars to choose from, a bunch of different templates, backgrounds. It is fully flexible and really, really efficient, and you'll be super impressed by how realistic the AI avatars are. Definitely encourage you to try out Synthesia. It's one of the most popular new AI platforms. It's pretty unique and does a wonderful job. Okay, let's move on to our 4th feature app. Okay, number 4 on the list this week is a social media management platform called SocialBee. It's actually an AI tool that I use every day. I needed help with my organization of my posts with social media. This has done the job and then some. I want to show you some really cool features that it offers that I think it makes it stand out. So you can manage, create, schedule, publish, and analyze. It has all your social media accounts all in one place, connections, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, even has Pinterest on there, Google profile, YouTube, and so on. So all the heavy hitters there with social media accounts, you can connect SocialBee to. Right here, lots of great testimonials. So that's what we're looking for here with a social media manager, to save a bunch of time, be efficient, even save money and so on. It's got a great calendar, really, really user-friendly, very easy to organize and set up, and you can do multiple posts all at once. Now with content creation, it's got these great integrations as well. Canva, Unsplash, Giphy, and some others as well. It allows you to integrate some great visuals and so on to make your social media posts really eye-catching. Really, you should see an increase in the interaction with your social media posts using something like SocialBee. Now, my favorite part about this and what I really think makes it special is the AI content generation. So with AI, what they did is they have an interface where you can choose whichever media platform, social media platform you want to post on, or multiple at once. And then after you select that, it gives you some prompts, and it's got a big list of them, whether you want to do a poll or a question or looking for feedback or comments, anything like that. And it has that prompt, and it basically, all you need to do is enter in a word or two in the prompt and then click on generate. And what it'll do is that it'll generate some automatic post ideas for you. And you can select just one of them, none of them, or multiple ones. And when you move on to the next step in this generation piece, you can change and edit some of the wording as well. So it's not set in stone. You can even set it up to have your post be in a certain tone or style, which makes it really versatile, just depending on what type of post you want to have and where you're going to post it at. So once you have your post figured out, you can click on all the different social media outlets you want it to connect to, and then you're on to scheduling. Just really, really flexible, really efficient, huge, huge time saver. If we move on to pricing here, you can see they have the basic Bootstrap, $15. They got Accelerate for $32 a month, and then they have the Pro feature. Highly recommend using SocialBee. It saved me a ton of time and is really, really user-friendly. Okay, number 5 on our list this week is Pictory, another one of my favorites. I've also done a feature video on Pictory. I did it in combination with ChatSonic. So check that one out if you want some greater detail on how you can use ChatSonic and Pictory in combination to create some awesome content and some great videos. So what is Pictory? It's a video creation software, but it's not just a text to video, text to visual type of software. It includes anything you need from start to finish, putting in scripts, putting in your text and so on. It can do video to video, visual to video. It is really, really flexible and has a bunch of different features on there, which makes it user-friendly and really fast to create some awesome content. Let's take a look at some of the features. So here on the home page here, when you go to Pictory, this is where it'll land you. And what you really want to do is go to use their free trial. You get 3 free projects up to 10 minutes long on each one of them to fully try out all the capabilities that Pictory has. So I strongly suggest checking out that free trial, and you'll see how awesome this tool is. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to what the interface looks like after you start your free trial in their project environment. After you create an account for your free trial in here, this will be your interface when you log in. You can see you can do script to video, article to video, you can edit videos, use it text, and visuals to video. So once you choose which project you want to do, you click on proceed and it jumps you to the script editor here. Script editor is really easy. You type in a name, you can paste in or type your content and text right there in whatever format you like, because once you move on to the next step, you can create your templates, your visuals. It does it all for you using AI because it can read all of your text in there. Then you click on your options over here on the right. So once you're done, you click on proceed and you're on to the editing piece, which is really quick and simple. You can change the visuals, you can add audio, you can even do AI voiceovers on there. So it is all encompassing. Got animations and so on. I have used it several times to create videos. It is an excellent, excellent tool. Definitely encourage you to use the free trial on those 3 free projects. You'll get a lot out of it and really know all that Pictory has to offer. Okay, that is Pictory. Again, let's move on to our bonus AI tool for the week. Okay, who wants AI to design their dream vacation? If you do, I suggest you try out Stravl, a really fun AI tool that is really simple. All you do is click on Get Started. It takes you through your options there. Uses AI to kind of build an itinerary for you based on what your input is. And what's really cool about it is that you can choose this Get Started button and you just go through their prompts. So time to travel. Choose your destination. You can do anywhere, specific regions, the time of year. Hey, what are you looking to experience? Some beach, some adventure, some food. And then I want to do sea and jungle. What are my preferences here? Well, I got activity level. Let's go ready for anything here, and I'll do off the beaten path. And click on submit. If you had signed up for Stravl, then what it would take you would lead you through the rest of that process on helping you, giving you more prompts and so on, help you design it, and it would give you some different options on what your dream vacation is. So really, really cool to try out. They have a free trial as well. Definitely encourage you to go check out Stravl. It's my fun AI tool of the week. Okay. Well, that is it for volume 3 of the High Five. Really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Please subscribe. I'll be releasing at least one of these videos every single week with some great AI tools that I discover that can really be fun and really be helpful for all of you out there. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time on the High Five.